Chevron upgraded to a buy at HSBC. Exxon upgraded to overweight over at Barclays. Megan, you just upgraded energy, as I mentioned earlier. Courtney, you think that trade is too crowded. Court, you first.
I wouldn't say too crowded. My point being is if you're going to move, you need to move now. At Loop Capital, we cover institutional investors, Scott, as you know, ranging from really large to small. And I will tell you the one sector that we have seen buying over the past several months, it consistently on a 2-to-1 basis, sometimes even 3 to 4 to 1, has been in energy. We're actually been better to sell over the past couple of days significantly in other sectors. And that trade that they're going into, Scott, it's energy, it's financials, and it's still tech.
Yeah, I mean, we got to see if energy really has the legs that some think it does, right? It's already had a big move. Oil's already had a big move, which, Megan, brings me to you. It sort of really circles back to the way we began this program, is getting positive and upgrading some sectors after they've already had big moves. Why does energy have more to it?
Yeah, I think if you remain too focused on the very short term, you'll probably miss out on what you could accomplish over a 1 to 3 year investment horizon. So definitely options activity, fund flows into energy have been a little bit excessive. Energy is a small part of the index. So when we say we're overweight, we're talking about overweight versus a 2% sector weight in the S&P 500. So small bets go a long way when it comes to energy. But I do think what we're seeing from OPEC, what we're seeing from the likelihood of a resumption of cyclical activity, the global reflation story, it is supportive. And I think we probably formed somewhat of a durable bottom over a long-term horizon for energy. Short-term, could we see some volatility? Absolutely. You always can with energy. That's why you got to size your bets properly.
Jim, you like both Exxon and Chevron, right?
Yeah, and I like Marathon Petroleum and Kinder Morgan more, but I do like Exxon and Chevron. I want to make a public service announcement. Those 4 names I just mentioned, they are buyable here and holdable over the next year. Yeah. But if you're playing in these zombie companies like Transocean or these small E&P companies, you are playing with fire, okay? There is no value in a Transocean other than the scrap value of its rigs. I don't care if oil's at $50 a barrel. You can stick a straw in the desert in Saudi Arabia, and they just might do that at any point in time, and oil pops up. Nobody's going to be drilling in deep water, harsh environments. So just stick to the top of the quality stack in energy, and that's the 4 names I just mentioned.
I understand, but do you think the recovery is the recovery is in Caterpillar, but it's not in oil?
Oh, you got more. Hey, Caterpillar.
I think Jim just ripped his own microphone. I think Jim just ripped his microphone.
I'm with you.
Are you with me?
I'm with you.
He got excited.
Did you get so animated that you knocked your mic off?
I got excited. I did. You give me these good questions.
You
I get
ever watch
excited.
that movie Airplane, Jim? You know, when he swings the arm out.
Hey, Jim's right though. Don't bet against Farmer Jim here, Scott.
Wait, guys.
All right.
Love you, Court. Caterpillar's been rallying since the summer. Okay, that's an old trade. Courtney's right that the momentum has been picking up in energy, but there's still room to run there. There's still room to run. It's about 2 months old, that trade.
Okay, John Najarian.
I'm in some energy stocks, as you know, Scott. I've really focused more on alternative energy, but I do own Exxon. I like it. I was listening to Mr. Curry from Goldman Sachs today talking about energy, and he got me all bulled up on fossil fuels as well. But I think I only own one of those right now, Scott, the fossil fuel. I'm definitely more on the green and the things that I think the new incoming president is about to enact in his first 100 days.